So let's have a look at this awesome AC/DC riff. So we're going to start the open A string, then play 9 on the G, 7 on the D, back to 7G, 7D. And then open A again, 5 on the G, 5 on the D, open A, 7 on the G, 7 on the D, open A. And we want that open A to ring the whole time, so slowly. 5s, 7s. Open A and then play the open A again, 9 on the G, 7D, 7 on the G, 7D, open A, 5G, 5D, open A, 7 on the G, then we're playing the C power chord, 3 on the A, 5 on the D, and then go back to 2 on the A, 5 on the D, and then we just start the riff again, back on the open. So let's try that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to song tempo. 1,